Alright guys, so today's video, we're going to be working on this here XLT, and we're going to have a lot of fun today, guys. Got those loosened up. Now we'll work on tackling these beasts. See if we can get the 16 might be better. Oh, they're tight. So I cranked these adjusters all the way out so the skid can, the bogey wheels can come forward. You know, it's gonna loosen the tension on the track. So that's all loosened. The track's pretty loose as it is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start loosening this bolt here and then that bolt over there. And hopefully we don't break any off. I soaked them inside and out with penetrating oil. So hopefully that'll help us a little bit. Please don't break off. And what I have to do is, when I lay these down, remember which one goes where, unless they're all the same size, which in that case really won't matter. So, and what I'm also gonna do, guys, is I might put a block of wood underneath the skid, just to keep it held in the air so it doesn't drop down. Nice piece of wood. Insert right there. And then, yeah, we'll try to get this front bolt loose and we'll go from there. And then obviously, same thing on the other side, guys. Same exact spot of where the bolts are. I think the reason why these bolts are coming out so easy is they have a flat washer and a lock washer on them. So it's not kind of, you know, directly on just a flat washer. That lock washer has some of the give in it. So I like to get them started with the ratchet and then finish them with the zip gun. If I can get in here. Good. Yeah, and they look identical in size, so I think he'd be good flip-flopping them. So I'm just gonna set them down there, and then I'm gonna go on the other side and repeat the same process. Alrighty guys, as you can see, the skid is free floating now. Go grab my pad. So yeah, guys, now the track is separate from the skid. Okay, so now we got it up higher, guys. It makes things a lot easier as well. We'll get you back down here. Okay. So now you can go either way. Doesn't matter which way you go, guys. But what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna get the back out first. What you gotta do is you gotta get over the clips and out of the clips. We wanna make sure, actually, I think we can get the front side out on that side. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try to get it on this side. Actually, we just need to push the skid up more, guys. Okay. It does help if you have an extra hand to do this kind of stuff. Okay, got that side coming out that way, and it might go out easier one way or the other, guys. There we go. Now what I like to do, guys, is go ahead and spin all the wheels. Actually feel really good. Check for play. Not terrible. Obviously, you loosen these bolts, so these ones aren't going to be tight necessarily. And then check. Uppers roll good. Surprisingly good. And then check these bottoms. Bottom one here is a little tight. So we'll spray him, lube him up. Inside ones might be hitting on the ground. Yeah, so this one actually has the the seal popped right out of the bearing on this one. So we'll address that. This guy here's a little stiff. And this guy here is like tight. So we got a few to lube up.